This is your Action News reporter here at the Desert Paradise Archery Range. I'm here with the 40-pound Martin recurve. I think it's a willow. Yep, willow. As a reporter, my story starts in the late 60s, maybe some in the early 60s to the 70s. What are we talking about? Muscle cars. Yep, we're gonna, I don't want to say shoot some muscle cars. No one wants to do that. Let's drive some muscle cars into the target. There we go. Let's do it. The first car up to the drag line is the Ford Mustang Cobra Jet. The Ford Mustang Cobra Jet scores a 16, 1 in the 9 ring. It did break the line. Yay! And the archer goes wild. Yellow arrow represents the Chevy Chevelle Super Sport. Yellow arrow, the Chevy Chevelle Super Sport, scores a 22. Yay! He's in first place for the moment. What a fast car. Orange arrows represents the Chevy Nova. I wrote down the Super Sport, but in my eyes, any Chevy Nova is cool. And the Nova scores a 14. White arrow represents the Corvette made by Chevy. White arrow, the Chevy Corvette, scores a 24, 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! That puts him in first place. Hip, hip, hooray! Purple arrow represents the Chevy Camaro. And the Camaro scores 1 in the 10 ring. Yay! And a 23, that puts Camaro in second place, right behind the Corvette. And the crowd goes wild. Yay! Green arrow represents the Plymouth Roadrunner with a Hemi. The Plymouth Roadrunner scores an 18. That puts him in about 4th place. Brown arrow represents the Shelby Cobra. The Shelby Cobra only scores a 15. Oh, that's disappointing. Blue arrow represents the Dodge Charger RT. I use this double sticky tape to fletch my arrows. I got a batch that is not working. I'm having to redo a lot. Holy cow, look at that. 1 in the 11 ring. The Dodge Charger scores a 22. That ties him for 3rd place with the Chevy Chevelle. Yay! Black arrow represents a car I wish I had, but I never did. It's the Pontiac GT. Now, this is what he's up against. In first place, we have the Chevy Corvette. In second place, we have the Chevy Camaro. In third place, we have a two-way tie right now. The Dodge Charger, the Chevy Chevelle. So that's what he's up against. Oh, the Charger and the Chevelle have 22 points. 22, 23, 24. Pontiac GT's got to make some great points. Pontiac GT scores an 18. That's not good enough, sorry guys. Okay, here we are for a shoot-off for 3rd place between the Dodge Charger and the Chevy Chevelle. The Chevelle will shoot first. Dodge Charger. Yellow Arrow, the Chevy Chevelle, hits the 9 ring. Yay! Way to go! Blue Arrow, the Dodge Charger, sticks in the 4 ring. Kinda. So the Chevelle will take 3rd place. See you at the winner's circle. Oh, this is your Action News reporter here at the winner's circle. Yay! In 1st place, we have White Arrow representing the Chevy Corvette. In 2nd place, on your right, with Purple Arrow, the Chevy again, Camaro. The Corvette won with 24. The Camaro came in 2nd with 23 points. And on your left, Yellow Arrow winning the shoot-off with the arrow in the 9 ring was the Chevy Chevelle. Maybe I should send this video to Chevy and maybe they'll use it in one of their commercials. There are your winners. I do have some honorable mentions though. The AMC Javelin, the Buick GSX Stage 1, the Mercury Cougar, I did own one of those, the Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun. I did. Some of these shots were incredible. I can't believe I did it. Anyway, we, the winners, and I, and all the team members want to wish you a good day.